Good morning. It is 4:46 a.m., March 22nd, 2020. And I am going to be talking about something called Advanced Encryption Standard. We open up Veracrypt, we go to create volume, create encrypted file container, create standard volume, select anywhere, call it anything. We hit next, and boom. So we're going to be selecting our encryption algorithm, which one we want. And we're going to be talking about this guy right here, the very top one, AES. Now, what is AES? When I first came into Veracrypt, I thought that the entire world just ran one encryption algorithm. But actually, that's not correct. There are many, many different encryption algorithms. Specifically, there are 5 different encryption algorithms here in the Veracrypt options: AES, Serpent, Twofish, Camella, and Kuznicks, or whatever. I can't pronounce that one. So these are 5 separate mathematical equations that are used to encrypt data. Some of these, they all have their own strengths, they all have their own weaknesses, but for today's video, we're going to be talking about AES. AES is called the Advanced Encryption Standard. Its original name was, and this is my best pronunciation, Rijndael. It's Dutch. So AES, what is AES? At its core, it's a mathematical function, mathematical equation that is used to encrypt data. So how did AES come to be the most, how did it come to exist? And how did it come to be the most widely used and widely adopted and widely tested encryption algorithms in the world? So the story goes is that these guys right here, the National Institutes of Standard and Technology, these guys opened up a big competition, and they were like, look, they said to the entire world, the U.S. government need an encryption algorithm that is the best, and we need it to do a lot of different things. And here's a little breakdown on what it does. We need general security, implementation difficulty, software performance. We need it to be fast. We need it to be strong. We need it to be easy to implement. We need smart card performance, hardware performance, design features, so on and so forth. And Rijndael, or AES, won. A bunch of encryption guys came together. They all judged all the entrants, which was Rijndael, Serpent, Twofish, Mars, and RC6, and Rijndael won. So Rijndael became the Advanced Encryption Standard. And this all happened back in 2001. Since then, AES, or Advanced Encryption Standard, has become the most widely adopted, most widely tested, and therefore the most widely trusted encryption algorithm in the world. And so that's what happened. People were looking at the U.S. government. They were like, what's the U.S. government going to use? The U.S. government uses AES. And so people started trying to hack and trying to force and people started testing over and over and over again AES. And so that's why it is so widely used and so trusted, because everyone in the world wants to break AES because it's the most widely used. So it's the most widely tested. Therefore, because nobody has been able to break it yet, or at least break it in practical terms, it's the most trusted. So that's why it's the most used. That's why it's the most trusted, because so many people want to break it, and so many people want to break it because so many people use it. It's like a feedback loop. And the encryption, the cryptography community uses this until somebody breaks it, at which point then they're going to move on to something else. So it's sort of like a snake eating its own tail. What is AES is the most widely used. AES is the most widely used encryption algorithm in the world. Why is it the most widely used encryption algorithm in the world? Because it's so tested. Why is it so tested? Because everyone wants to hack it. Why does everyone want to hack it? Because so many people use it. Why do so many people use it? Because it's so trusted. Why are people so trusted? So on and so forth. It's a big circle. So that's what advanced encryption standard is. And in my personal opinion, Oop, wrong one. In my personal opinion, AES is basically, to what I've been told, it's going to be the best for most people, the best for most computers, and the best for most situations. Also, AES has a huge, massive infrastructure built with it. Software and hardware chips come with software libraries for AES, and also hardware chips designed specifically to use AES and create AES algorithms. So not only does the entire world use AES, but there's a massive infrastructure supporting AES. So making AES the smoking fast algorithm. So that's what AES is, and that's why we use AES. In this video, I'm going to link you guys the links here so you guys can take a look at what I'm talking about and educate yourself on AES more if you have a burning curiosity. And so basically, AES is the best because it provides the best overall trade-off for speed and security. That is the best overall for most cases, for most people, and however, I do want to leave you guys with the understanding that there does exist certain situations where other encryption algorithms are better for the purpose than for AES. But for general purposes, AES is going to do you just fine. So that's my little video for today. That's me talking about AES, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and help the channel out. Appreciate you. Bye.